Hey guys, I'm back and today we have a Stitch Fix unboxing. So this is the smallest little Stitch Fix I've ever gotten. But I mean, it's summer. Obviously all the clothes are gonna be a little bit maybe on the shorter side or less fabric side. So I guess it makes sense it's a smaller box. So let's go ahead and dive on in and see what I got. The only requests I've made were for like more summer dresses and shorts, because I wear a lot of like summer dresses this time of year just because it's really hot and pants are stupid. So that's how I feel about that. For those of you who aren't aware about what Stitch Fix is, it is a clothing styling subscription service. Basically, you fill out a little style quiz about what you like, what you don't like, and your measurements. And kind of what you're looking to get out of the service, and then you get paired up with a stylist that will send you 5 items at least on a monthly basis. You can do it more often if you'd like, and there are all sorts of different things you can do with it now. There's like a style pass or something. I don't know. If you're interested, check it out for sure. I'll definitely be putting my link in the description box. That way, if you're interested in trying out Stitch Fix at a discount, I believe it's a $25 discount. You can click my link in the description box below. And then I also, like, just full honesty time here, I also get $25 if you do use that link to sign up for Stitch Fix. But again, if you decide not to use my link, I'm obviously, one, never gonna know, but two, I'm not gonna take any offense to it. So yeah, let's see. Our envelope's a little messed up this time for whatever reason, but let's look inside. It says, oh, hello. So this is the card that shows you everything that you got in your box, as well as a little note from your stylist. So let's see what my stylist has to say. Hey there, Amanda. Happy Fix Day. I hope this fix finds you well and brings you a smile. Thank you for the request for this month's fix. I noted that you're looking for clothes for the summertime, so I found some great options for the warmer weather. I'm so sorry I wasn't able to find a pair of shorts in your size and style at this time. But I can definitely keep my eyes out for a great pair for your future fixes if you'd like me to. For now, I focused on breezy tops and summer dresses like you requested. The Emery Park kimono is perfect for throwing on over a tank top to easily elevate your outfit. Style it with a neutral colored cami and shorts and accessorize with the Nakamol stud earrings to add the finishing touch. Have fun trying everything on and mixing these pieces up with your wardrobe favorites. Best, Monique. So Monique has been my stylist for a couple boxes now, and I think if I remember correctly, when I checked out for last month's box, I actually decided to go ahead and like commit to her. I got over my commitment issues. I've been liking a lot of what she's been sending. So yeah, it looks like we got some fun things to try on here. Now for Stitch Fix, as far as the clothing items that you get, if you do decide to keep all 5, you do get, I believe it is a 20% discount. It's 25% discount. And then if you don't want to send or keep everything, you can send everything back in this prepaid envelope that they also send you. So our little bundle is, well, it's little, which I guess we all kind of suspected based on the size of the box. So let's see what's in store. So I'm gonna go ahead and open the box first. So this is a set of earrings. They're pretty cute, I'm not gonna lie. They're definitely bigger than I thought they would be based on the picture. I'm debating, I'm thinking about these, whether or not I would actually wear these and if I have anything that would match them in my wardrobe. And do they actually like, I think they come with like either a napkin or like a little bag that you can put them in, I guess, if that's your thing. Okay, it says, oh, it comes with a card from the company, Nakamol. It says each piece is handcrafted using natural gemstones in a variety of colors and textures. Nakamol is inspired by the energy and spirit of the women around her. Her mission is to elevate their inherent beauty by making them feel unique every time they wear her pieces. So while this doesn't have any gemstones, I'm liking these earrings, but honestly, like, we're gonna have to look at the invoice when this is all over, and if they're the right price, I'll keep them. I'm not in love with them. Let's see, let's look at this first item, which is black. It is a light cotton top, and it's a little bit on the sheer side, but if it's dark, so it's probably not gonna be that big of a deal, and then it's kind of hard to see in the camera camera here, but it has this fun strap detail on the one side. So it's kind of like cold shoulder. Yeah. Otherwise, it's pretty basic. I feel like you can wear this as athleisure, or you can like really make this like a cute little fun girls' night out outfit. The next item is, I think this might be the kimono. And it's very, very bright. I'm not gonna lie. I don't know how I feel about these colors. This might be too bright for my taste, but I do like the floral print. And I think we'll just have to try this on. I'm already thinking of pairing this with that white cold shoulder top I got in my Nadine West a couple months ago, when they actually sent a kimono with that one that I didn't like. Actually, which reminds me, that other kimono that I got in that Nadine West box, I didn't want to keep because it was hand wash only. This also says hand wash only. So we'll see about that. But it is pretty, I'm not gonna lie. I see another floral print, and I think this is a dress. You may or may not be hearing Sophie as she's stirred from her slumber. She realizes I'm up to something. But here is the dress. This is very, very cute. There's a cinch detail here at the waist. It's light and breezy. I'm concerned this might be too small, but I think the cinching at the waist is just a little bit on the misleading side. And then it looks like our last item, more floral print. Clearly I like floral print. Let's see. So it looks like this last item is also a dress. It might be a little bit on the shorter side, and it has a little bit of the V-neck in the front. Okay, so let's go ahead and try on some of this stuff. You know, these bad boys. Yeah. Meow. Hi. Okay, for real, I'm gonna go try this on now. So here is that first dress, or I guess it's the last dress that I tied on. Oh, I just realized that bra strap's showing, but I definitely have a bra I can wear with this that wouldn't be an issue with. I do like the top. I kind of wish this was a little bit lower as far as the cut goes. I feel a little matronly, but not necessarily a bad thing. It's just more of a personal taste thing. If you back out, the length is just about perfect. I'll go ahead and lower the camera in just a minute. So the length, you can tell, just stops right above my knee, so I was concerned it might be a little too short. That's not really an issue here. Yeah, I like the dress. Something that I thought was kind of funny was whenever I do these unboxings, I always have to go show Mike, like, oh, what clothes did I try on? And I think he thoroughly enjoys being a part of the process. But, you know, if you watch the first part of this video, you'll see that I was wearing like a navy blue dress very similar to this, and he was like, did you actually change? Which, like, clearly I did. I can tell this is a different dress. Obviously, to someone who's less maybe aware of what I was actually wearing in the first place, this is a very similar dress to what I was wearing at the beginning of this video. I'm not in, like, he's giving me the stink eye right now. Oh yeah. I'm not like super in love with this dress. I think it's gonna depend on all the things in this box. Like, yeah, if it makes sense for me to keep this dress financially, I will, but otherwise I would be okay with returning this dress. Okay, let's talk about this dress. We're having some sizing issues in the bust area. This area fits really well, to be fair. It's just very tight up top. I could size up if I liked the dress that much, but I'll pan down in a minute. I'm not super in love with the length either. So it goes like halfway to my calf. It's a little longer than I would like it. And as much, I really wanted to love this dress, but it's just not quite my style. So yeah, I'm gonna get out of this because it kind of hurts, honestly. And we're gonna try on some other stuff. Okay, so I do like this. The colors are just a little too bright for me, plus the fact that it is hand wash only, I was just not a fan of. So this is getting returned. I can already just tell you guys that much. As for the top, I do actually really like this. I do own a couple tops similar to this, but this is different because this is asymmetrical as far as this detail is, but I do own several tops that have some sort of detail like this on the shoulder that I actually got from Navy West. And I just paired these with the shorts I got in last month's Stitch Fix, so there's nothing really new to show there. Let's go ahead and review the invoice here in a minute. Okay, so let's go over this invoice. Now, first of all, if I were to keep everything, it'd be $124 for all 5 items. So that includes the buy all 25% discount, and then you pay a $20 styling fee for every box, but you get reimbursed that $20 styling fee for whatever you decide to keep. So this top that I'm wearing right now is $34. I actually really like this top, so if I keep anything, it might be this top. The kimono was also $34, which, yeah, I think I'm gonna go ahead and return. It's just hand wash, not my thing. The earrings are $28, which they're cute. They're not quite my style. And it's a lot to pay for a pair of earrings. I don't know, like if I loved them, it might be different, but yeah. And then, let's see, the yellow dress that I tried on was $48. Yeah, we're sending that back. I could size up if I loved it, but I don't. I just don't. I loved it in theory. Like, I looked at it, I saw it in the picture, and I'm like, that's a really cute dress. But in execution for my body type, no, it didn't work. And then as far as the other dress, that was also $48, which I did like, but Mike had a point that it's very, very similar to the other navy blue dress I already own. Anyways, if you stuck around this long, thanks so much for watching. If you liked this video, consider doing all the things that the YouTube algorithm enjoys that promotes my video to other people, such as liking and sharing it, or consider using my promo code in the description box below if you want to try out Stitch Fix for the first time. Thanks so much for watching.